Alright, so today we're going to talk a little bit about getting your screen size different. As you can see on my screen on my Pinephone is what we're looking at today. I have changed the scalability here permanently, or at least as long as I keep the configuration file this way. That way, instead of having to go to your settings and change the scale every single time you reboot, this will hold this scalability for the remainder of the configuration file. So let's go ahead and do that. It's really easy to do. We'll go ahead and open a terminal, as I usually use commands for these kinds of things. And then what you need to do is look in your /user/share directory. As you can see right here, it's real tiny. The phoc.ini file is found in /user/share/phosh, Phosh. So what you're going to do here is you're going to move this to your etc directory. And if you don't have a Phosh directory in etc, create one. So now you can see I've moved it. I've done mv/share/phosh.ini, and then you put the directory where you want to place it. And if you don't have the Phosh directory in your etc directory, make sure to create it first with mkdir/etc/phosh. And then you're going to use the mv/user/share/phosh/phoc.ini space and then /etc/phosh/phoc.ini. And once you've done that command, you're going to have the configuration file ready to edit. So we'll go ahead and open that. And we're going to open Nano. We'll use Nano. You could use VIM, whatever you prefer. phoc.ini. Now that we've opened it, you may need to sudo this so you can actually write to it. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to go down here, and then you can go down to where the actual scale here is. As you can see, it shows output :DSI, and then underneath that you see the word scale, and then you're going to have equals, and then it's going to have a number there. If you want yours to look like mine with the icons about this size in proportion to the screen and a nice almost desktop-like environment, go ahead and try 1.25. Save that file, and you should have the scalability changed for, or the scale changed for your Pinephone or Librem 5, whatever Linux phone using Phosh you have, and then it will stay that way until the next reboot and continuously until you decide to change that. So play around with that number, see what's good for you. I like this because certain Linux desktop applications load better, and things like PGP apps and different things like that, and messengers that may not be ready, and of course you can always change those settings as well. But this keeps it, for me, a little more aesthetic for my own view. So see if you like that. Make sure to like the video, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back later with more on the Pinephone and Linux.